Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fishco. In this video, we will talk about 50 MCQs of fishing gear technology. This will be part 1, very useful for your JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So let's start with MCQs of fishing gear technology. First question, swivel in an integral part of dash is used between branch line proper and snood wire. So correct answer is option C, it is long line. Next, main function of swivel is to prevent twisting of ropes. Swivel are made up of dash, so they are made up of bronze, galvanized iron and steel. Which of the following is a type of shackle? There is a correction in question. Which of the following is a type of shackles? So it is all anchor shackle, D shackle and eye bolt shackles. D shackle is mainly used to join, so they are used to join two ropes. Next, shackle is made up of dash material, so it is made up of galvanized iron. Next, thimble is a dash ring, so it is a grooved ring. Thimble prevent dash, so it prevent chafing as well as deforming. Thimble mainly used in dash net, so they are used in tall net. Core is also known as dash of wire rope, so they are known as heart of the wire rope. Bobbin is mostly used in dash gear, so they are used in tall net. Tickler chain is used in dash gear, so they are used in shrimp trawl. Buoy is used to mark the places where the fishes are found in abundance, so it is Dan buoy. Radio buoy is used in dash, so they are used in tuna long line. Radio buoy has a transmission range of 50 km. Bulb used in light buoy has visibility range of dash kilometer, so it is 3 km. Siamese twin float is made up of dash material, so it is made up of aluminium. Hydrodynamic float have a length of dash centimeter, so it is 38 cm. Which of the following is not a low density float? So it is glass float. Dash float absorb water and on drying they crack, so it is wood. The density of wooden float is 6.5 gram per 1000 cc. Dash float cannot withstand pressure, so it is thermocol float. Dash floats are hollow spheres and can withstand pressure at depth more than 200 fathoms, so it is glass floats. The length of each unit of tuna long line varies from dash meter, so it is from 200 to 400 meters. Sekiyama is used in dash gear, so they are used in long line. In long line, dash is used, so the swivel is used in long line. The purseine length is about dash times more than length of purseiner, so it is 15 times. Main body of purseine lies in between, so they lie in between wing and bunt. Bunt of purseine is made up of webbing with dash mesh size, so it is of uniform mesh size. The portion between bunt and main webbing is called, so they are known as shoulder. Which of the following is a type of bridle? So both ring bridle and haulin bridle. Dash is a short piece of rope connecting each purse ring with foot rope, so it is bridle. Breast line used in dash net, so they are purseine. Purse ring attached with dash, so they are attached with head rope and foot rope. Dash is the portion of the purseine where catch accumulates during the hauling, so it is bunt portion. Gillnet is a dash gear, so it is both size selective as well as passive gear. In gillnet, the webbing is mounted between head rope and dash, so it is foot rope. In gillnet, the webbing is mounted between head rope and foot rope. Dash means the enmeshing of fish at the point of snout, so it is snagging. Mesh enmeshing of fish at the point before the opercular cover, so it is gilling. Next, the gillnet having 3 wall is called, so it is trammel net. There is a confusion in question number 40. Okay, so if you are sure, you can comment in the comment section if you are sure with the answer. Next, nowadays dash float is normally used in gillnet, so it is HDPE. In gillnet, master float is attached at dash end, so it is end portion. In gillnet, dash rope will bear sinker, so it is foot rope. Which sinker material is suitable for gillnet? So it is both iron as well as lead. In gillnet, the master sinker will be anchor. Mounting twine of gillnet is dash twine, so it is thicker twine. Dash is used to join a gillnet with other gillnet, so it is bridle. Trammel nets are mostly used to capture dash, so they are used to capture shrimp as well as lobster. Dash net is also known as wall of the sea, so it is gillnet. Gillnet are also known as wall of the sea. Okay, so that's all for this. We have discussed 50 MCQs of fishing gear technology, and this is part 1. We'll be back with other parts of fishing gear technology very soon. So stay tuned. Thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.